Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see again with the background only. On the previous video, we have covered many properties on the background. Okay, so and on the previous video, we have covered the background repeat. Okay, so now if you have watched the previous video, so you'll understand this why we are using the background size also. Okay, or it is not mandatory to know about the background repetition to know about the background um, size. Okay, so today session we will see about the background size. Okay, so let's see about the practical session. Okay, so yesterday we have seen the background repeat, right? So today we will see about the background size. Okay, so background size, and let me add some kind of there are auto is there and contain is there, cover is there, and I can also add the values also. Okay, so let's go with I want to cover it. Okay, for example, I want the background to be covered fully the size. Okay, at that time, what I have to do? Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just use the cover as a value. Okay, if I want to cover that background, so I can use the cover value. Okay, so let's see. You can see that so it's covered with the whatever the screen. Okay, so this according to the screen size it will cover. Okay, so let me see, so I'm just decreasing my size of the screen. Okay, but it is covered with that. Okay, next one is like contain. Okay, so what is this will contain will do? Okay, so it according to the what the contains, so content. Okay, so it will fit to that one. Okay, and when it comes to the size, like we can give the our custom sizes also. For example, if I use the 100% or 100 pixel, okay, so you can use it however you want. Okay, for example, I just use the 70 or 80 percentage, so it will not take that much thing, so it will be like this. Okay, and if I use the auto, so what happens? Okay, so now see. So it will be like whatever the background, the size of the image, so that much only it will take. Okay. So I hope this background size is you understood the background size. Okay. So if you understood this background size, how to add the background size, please hit on the like button, share it, and subscribe it. Okay. So thank you for watching it, guys.